Aubrey here. Today I'm doing the Eureka Math Grade 4 Module 7 Lesson 3 homework. Alright, so let's get started. Use RDW to solve problems 1 to 2. So number 1, Jeffrey practiced his drums from 4 p.m. until 7 p.m. How many minutes did he practice? Use the number line to show your work. Alright, so we can think of this number line as hours. So here would be 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. So we start at 4 o'clock until 7 o'clock. So until 7 right here. So how many minutes did he practice? First we want to find out how many hours went by. So that's 1, 2, 3 hours. So 4 o'clock to 7 o'clock is 3 hours. And now we need to convert that to minutes. So we know 1 hour is 60 minutes. Well then 3 hours, that's 3 times 60. And we know that 3 times 6 is 18. So then since it's 60, you just add that 0 at the end. That's 180 minutes. At 180 minutes, that means Jeffrey practiced 180 minutes. Yes, I am. Good job, Jeffrey. Alright, now number 2 is Isla used her computer for 5 hours over the weekend. How many minutes did she spend on her computer? Alright, so 5 hours. Let's make a number line like they did. Actually, wait, hold on. You don't need a number line for that. It's 5 hours. They don't give us a time. But let's see. We can do. So 5 hours. Over the weekend, how many minutes did you practice? Well, so it goes from 1 to 5 hours, and 1 hour equals 60 minutes. So 5 hours, that's 5 times 60. We can do 5 times 6, which is 30, and add the 0 at the end. So 300 minutes. That means Ella spent 300 minutes on her computer. Alright, now number 3, complete the following conversion tables and write the rule under each table. Alright, so 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 2 hours is 120 minutes. 3 hours is 180 minutes. I mean, not 3 hours, oh my god. 5 hours, you gotta look careful. This is why you should always be careful. 5 hours, 5 times 60, that's 300 minutes. 9 is 540 minutes. And 12 hours, we can do 12 times 6, which is 72, and add the 0 at the end. So 720 minutes. So the rule for converting hours to minutes is that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Alright, now B, our second table. Okay, this is days to hours. So 1 day is equal to 24 hours. That's how long a day is. So 24 hours. So 3 days, 3 times 24, that's 72. And 6 times 24 is 144. 8 times 24, that's 184. Oh no, 184, wait, hold on. 192. And 20 times 24, 24 times 2 is 480. 48, and add the 0 at the end, 480. So the rule for converting days to hours is that 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Okay? Alright, next page. Okay, number 4, solve. So A, 10 hours, 30 minutes is how many minutes? 1 hour is 60 minutes. So 10 hours, that's 10 times 60, which is 600. And now 600 plus that 30 minutes, that's 630 minutes total. B, 6 minutes, 15 seconds. 1 minute is 60 seconds. So 6 times 60 is 120. Oh no, oh my god. No, 6 times 60 is 360. So 6 minutes is 360 seconds. Plus 15, that's 375 seconds. Okay, and C, 4 days, 20 hours is how many hours? So 1 day is 24 hours, so 4 days is 4 times 24, which is 96. Plus that 20, that's 116 hours. And now D, 3 minutes, 45 seconds. How many seconds is that? So 1 minute is 60 seconds. 3 times 60 is 180. Plus 45 seconds, so that's 225 seconds total. Alright, now E, 23 days, 21 hours. How many hours is that? 1 day is 24 hours, so 23 times 24. You can do that, and you can do it on the side if you need. Times 24. 3 times 4 is 12. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. Add that together. 552 hours. Plus 21 hours, and that's 573 hours. Alright, now F, 17 hours, 5 minutes. Okay, so 1 hour, 60 minutes. So 17 times 60, well, 17 times 6 is 102. And then add the 0 at the end. Plus 5 minutes. That's 1,025 minutes. And number 5 is asking us, explain how you solve problem 4F. Well, let's solve that problem. First, I converted hours to minutes and got 1,020 and added the remaining 5 minutes to get 1,025 minutes total. Alright, now number 6, it took a space shuttle 8 minutes 36 seconds to launch and reach outer space. How many seconds did it take? 8 minutes 36 seconds. So 1 minute is 60 seconds. So 8 minutes, 8 times 60, that's 480. Plus 36 seconds. 480 plus 36, that's 516. So it took 516 seconds Alright, and now number 7. Apollo 16's mission lasted just over 1 week, 4 days. How many hours are there in 1 week, 4 days? Alright, so first we want to find out how many hours are in a week. We know 1 day is 24 hours, and in a week there's 7 days. So we want to find out total hours in 7 days. And actually, you can just add up 7 days plus 4 days is 11 days. So now we're finding out how many hours in 11 days. So we need to do 11 times 24. So you can either do that vertically or you can use a trick. Since 11 is only 1 away from 10, you can do 240 times 10, which you just add a 0 at the end, which gives you 240, and then add 24 again, since 11 is 1 more than 10. So 240 plus 24 is 264. So therefore 264 is our answer. So there are 264 hours in a week and 4 days. Yeah. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps on my channel. See you guys next time. Bye!